Hi guys, welcome back. It's a new week, so I've got a new video for you. Thanks to everyone that took the time to like, comment, or watch the videos last week. It's greatly appreciated, and I enjoyed reading the comments and replying, and it gave me some good ideas of alternative ways that you can do stuff. So thanks again. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name's Dan Mockridge. I'm a design consultant based in the UK, and the channel looks at all things design, and in particular at the moment we're looking at Solidworks and ways you can do stuff. I hope you enjoyed the channel, and if you're enjoying the content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, as we've got content coming weekly. And this week we're going to take a look at how you can use your block again, and we're going to look at custom drawing templates. So this would be interesting to anyone who does drawing work, or you want to create like a professional drawing template that has your identity or logo in it. It'll be good to have a look, and yeah, let's take a look and see what we can do. Alright guys, let's jump in. Hi guys, right, so let's take a look. Firstly, we've got a bit of admin to do, a bit of housework, so bear with. If you come up to tools and go options, come down to default templates, you will see that you've got parts, assemblies, drawings. These file locations on my computer are custom because I've changed them, so they will be different on yours. And what I would recommend doing is just copy the file location for the drawing there, go to Windows Explorer, which I will drag over here, paste in the location, and just take out the drawing dot, DRWDOT at the end there. And you can come in and see the basic sheet formats that Solidworks gives you. And it's worth noting that there's two aspects to custom drawing templates. You've got sheet formats, which are the .SLDDRT format, like we can see here. These look at the geometry and the note details in the title block. Then you also have templates, the drawing template itself, which is .DRWDOT, like this reference here. These look at units, drafting standards, fonts, etc., etc. So there's two aspects we've got to look at in this video today. And what I would suggest doing, a minute, we will just park this Explorer window here for a second. And if you go new, just hit new, you've got options. My custom templates are here, as you can see. And if you flick over to sheet formats and go drawing, this is basically a reference to the file location we've just looked at. And it gives you loads of options. Now this is where you want to pick basically your basis for the template, because what we're going to do is take one of Solidworks basic templates and we're going to customize it to make it look cool or adjust it in any way. And the one that I'm going to take to look at is the A3 BSI, because I'm in the UK and BSI standards work for me. So go OK. And this shows you the basic, it's a good starting block if you like. So I'm pretty comfortable. If we take this this file, we can copy it, rename it, and then we'll use that as the basis for our custom sheet format. So what we'll do, just close this down, and we'll pull back our Explorer window so you can see. We'll go into sheet formats, and the one that we just found, if you can recognize, this is basically like the sub window that we just used in Solidworks. So if we find, I'm not sure where it is, A3 BSI, there we go. So we copy that one, and I'm going to paste it in here, and I'm going to rename it drawing template tutorial. So we've got that in there. And then just to see if it works, I'm going to move the Explorer over, drag it in, and it should be exactly the same as the A3 BSI. So that's cool. We know that's going to work. So just going to go new now, drawing. Make sure you're in sheet formats and drawing. And we're going to find our drawing template that we've saved. There it is. Right click on the paper space, edit sheet format. And this is where we can adjust bits that we don't like or want to make better. So that's a custom property. I'm not interested in that. So this material here, just going to drag it up there. And the weight, which is a custom property, also I'm not interested in that, but I'm just going to move that there. And then you can just sort of drag lines, control and drag. Oh, don't need that one. To make it work. And if it's short on that side, you can extend. You can extend it to tidy it up. And yeah, I'm relatively happy with that. Revision, I want to put somewhere. If I move revision, no, I'm happy with that. Leave that there for the minute. But I want to make space for our logo, so I'm just going to select trim. I'm just going to trim this section out in the middle here because I think this will work. And then notice it's dropped some lines out. Don't necessarily know why. It's alright, we can get over it. 4 mil, I guess. Yes. And then we will take that line there, drag another one. I'm control and dragging as well for you guys that don't know, but control and drag is a copy, so it's quite handy to know. So there we go, that's our new layout. Say for example, we're just going to go insert, block, browse, and browse to wherever the block is. There's our block, look. And as previously, you can select the block, scale it down to the size you want it. There we go, there it's quite cool. And then what you can also do, which looks cool, if we go into the block and you can edit it. There we go. Oh. And if we come to annotation, solid. So what you can do is go in and edit and hatch the block detail you want, and it makes it stand out. And then you can basically repeat this process and go in and like there's some other details I want to add. So I'll show you one that I did earlier, and this is basically because of the time element of it. Obviously it's nice to spend quite a bit of time getting it nice. So if we go new template, this is the template I created earlier. So I've added in the third angle projection block which I created, added in some additional drawing notes, and I've took the time and I've gone in and I've blacked out the block so it looks it looks quite smart. I'm quite pleased with that as a drawing template. And then what you do when you're happy with it, you come up to File, and then there's a Save Sheet Format option. So if we've already created our sheet format, which we have, and in our case we called it drawing template, just select that one and you can overwrite it, or you can name it something else if you so wish. And then if you want to create the drawing template, which is these options here at startup, so create your custom drawing template, and you can select it and open it. What you've got to do is go File, Save As, and then make sure you browse to the file location that Solidworks is pointing at, which we looked at right at the start of the tutorial. So in our example, we are there now because we're in the templates, and change the save as type to drawing templates, which is .drwdot. Make sure it goes in the templates. It changed the file location there, which was a bit cheeky. And then call it what you want in here, go save, and then if you've done it successfully, when you go new, you should be able to select your custom drawing template as a drawing option to go and do some drawing. So alright guys, it's you know, a bit more of a sort of techie one this week, a bit of sort of like file locations and a bit of CADmin, but I thought it'd be good to share with you guys. It's good to know when you have to do it. I remember when I was starting out, I got tasked with making a company's sort of custom drawing templates, and it took me ages to get my head around it, but got there in the end with the help of blocks and stuff. So I kind of felt like it was the topic, it all sort of links together, and hopefully you'll find it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and hit the notifications button. We've got content coming weekly, and as always, I'd like to hear your feedback. Did you find it helpful this week? You got any other suggestions on how to improve it, or did you know about it, or is it new for you guys? Alright, let's see you next week guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.